channel. This is Destined4Beauty. My name is Destiny. If this is your first time here, hey girl. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Today we are doing another beauty video on this look here with this green lippy. I'm calling it the Grinch stole this look. So if you want to see how I got this look, please continue to watch. But do not forget to subscribe because y'all be forgetting. So don't forget, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. And if you want to see how we got this look, please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so we back. Let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm trying to figure out what I'm trying to do because I got this green in this shirt and I wanted to play off of it, but it might not be happening the way that we anticipated. So we're gonna just play with a little something and see what it is we're trying to do. So first, let's prompt this, the Professional by Benefit, this guy. And we are gonna pop him on the teensiest bit. Well, a little teensy bit more than that, but I like this for like the textured spots on my face, because your girl's skin is not where it needs to be just yet, but this keeps it like really smooth. I go with this tan shade here and put it all over the lid. So I would pick this palette up, but girl, the black shade in this palette is done for and it gives me such a hard time. I'm gonna try to show y'all what I'm using, but and it gets all over my clothes. This black is so broken and crusty, but I'm gonna use this shade here in this Warrior 2 palette and I'm gonna just put that right on the lid. All right, so we got that on. So now we're gonna take this pretty black shimmer. It's called Kaliki in the Festival palette by Juvia's Place. And we're going to drop that in the outer corner. It's gonna be a really cute, really simple, smoky look. So let's put that on. All right, so we got it packed on, right? It's harsh, gotta blend it. But this little bullet brush is simply for packing to make sure that the color is there. Since this is a shimmer, we don't want to lose that color payoff. So I'm going to take a little bit of a fluffier tapered brush. I'm trying to decide how I want to do it. And I think I'm just going to do it brown. So out of that same first Warrior palette, the more reddish brown shade, I'm just going to take like a little fluffier tapered kind of brush like this and dip it in there and blend the edges of this out. Okay, so that's really all the smoke that I want. I really don't want nothing crazy. So I'm gonna take that same like white shade that I usually use out of the Warrior and pop it in the brown bowl. Okay, so we got that popped on. Now I'm gonna go back in the Festival palette and this pretty like golden shade at the bottom, I'm gonna pop that in the tear duct. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and like streak it up. You see how I just kind of streak that side, how it gives it like a bit more definition there than the other side? I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna define that a bit more. So a step that I never do, I think I'm gonna wear eyeliner today. I'm feeling some type of way with this like kind of grungy top. So eyeliner it is. So I'm gonna grab my Pat McGrath felt tip liner and we're gonna put some eyeliner on. Cool, nice little simple line, nothing too cray-cray. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump off, put my lashes on, and we'll be right back to do the complexion and the lippy. So stay tuned. Okay, so we got our lashes on. I went for like a less dramatic than what I usually do lash. Just a little bit like daintier, little lash today. These lashes are actually by Alicia B in the style Foulant. Oh, don't look at my beat up box, but they're cute. They're real cute. They're real light and a little bit more natural, because I will be just like more natural overall today. But anywho, let's get into the complexion. So y'all already know I'm about to conceal my blemishes, what's new, and yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all rock with me. So you know what I'm saying, grab your concealer, girl, you know what time it is. Boom. So we blended out our concealer. Now it is snowman time. Okay, and then today I'm actually gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. I still really don't use a lot of this either. It's way more liquidy than my Juvia's Place. It doesn't dry down as fast as my Juvia's Place either, but I'm getting low on my Juvia's Place, so we're gonna use this guy instead. All right, y'all, so it's time for the lip. Today we're going real, you know, Grinch stole Christmas with this green lippy today. I've already lined my lips. I didn't use my janky pencil this time. I used an eyebrow pencil. That's neither here nor there. But we're gonna use this green lippy today. So let's get into it. Cute. So cute. Yes. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna go throw my clothes on. I'll be back to show y'all the final look. Yes, it is together. Messy pony, little scrunchy, cute front pieces. We did that. Throw on some studs. No necklace because I don't feel like it calls for it. But we just got on some high waist pants, black pants. I got on some boots, and girls, a look. Okay. It's a whole look. The Grinch stole who? This look, okay? Super duper cute. So yeah, guys, this is the end of this look. I hope you enjoyed another get ready with me, a nice makeup tutorial. So I hope you go ahead and hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you might want to see next during this Vlogmas. But until next time, my beauties, bye.